Intense, extreme, unleashed. Hear the roar. Feel the vibration. The world's most powerful chippers let loose. Your front row seat to pure mechanical adrenaline starts now. Ever wonder why some trees get cleared? It often helps the whole forest. During thinning ops, this powerful Albach chipper handles the big stuff. And yeah, believe it, it powers right through massive trunks up to 24 inches. Seriously impressive. By removing selected trees, we give others sunlight and resources to grow stronger. Cool, right? Say goodbye to frustrating stumps. This tough excavator attachment gets the job done. Featuring a direct transmission for maximum power, its tungsten teeth make quick work of even the biggest stumps. And with its swing capability, no stump is out of reach. Get efficient and get grinding. All right, folks, place your bets. Will the tree stand its ground, or will the truck win this battle? Dude, that's gotta sting a little. Like watching your favorite tie-dye get caught in a blender. At least they went out in style, right? Being good at something is a solid start, but that's not all there is to it. You know, there are sneaky problems out there that can mess you up, no matter how talented you are. Check out this Austrian engineering marvel, the Eschelbuck Biber 84. This diesel-fueled machine uses a hydraulic system to handle everything from feeding logs to spitting out chips. Imagine the speed and efficiency. Found a 2014 model integrated with an MAN truck going for approximately $210,000 in Lithuania. You won't believe this. Imagine a water-powered sawmill in Norway that's been around since the late 1500s. And it's still in business. It's like stepping back in time. But it's also a hands-on learning experience where they keep the traditional sawmilling skills alive for the next generation. Talk about a living piece of history. Back in my day, we were lucky to have a good axe. This posh Splitmaster, it's like bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. See how steady it sits? That's crucial. And checking the fluids? Smart move. This ain't just about power, it's about respect for the machine. Get that log positioned right and she'll do the rest. Makes my old back feel a lot better just watching. Need to clear land efficiently? Check out this amazing whole tree chipping setup. Arborman uses their Vermeer BC 2100 XL, fed by an excavator, to rapidly turn entire pine trees into usable wood chips. What do you think is the best use for all these wood chips? Share your ideas. It feels like sometimes we miss the chance to be proactive with our green spaces. Nurturing those trees earlier on could have been a wonderful alternative path. You know that feeling when you finally get rid of something that's been in the way? This looks like one of those moments. From a mighty tree to something we use every day. What a process. Ever think about what the view's like up there for those wagon crane guys? You gotta see this video. South Korea, bringing the heat with the Peterson 6750D electric wood grinder. This thing boasts a 1300 horsepower electric motor. That's insane. And get this, Peterson is the top dog in the market for these massive wood grinders globally. This machine looks like it can chew through anything. Pure power. That DAH system? It's like a tireless Pac-Man just gobbling up land. Clearing becomes almost automatic. And because it plays well with so many different excavators and carriers, it's a game changer for anyone in forestry. Seriously impressed with the engineering behind this Albach Diamant 2000S. Made in Germany, it boasts high efficiency and a sophisticated hydraulic system. The focus on durability with its wear resistance, heat stability, and protection against the elements is really smart. I'm curious about the different types of wood this machine can process. Any experts in the comments? This log knife he made is seriously next-level DIY. It's wild how a basic thought can turn into something so useful. Makes you think about all the other everyday stuff we could fix with a little brainpower, right? The innovation game is just endless. Whoa, check this out. Talk about a game changer in wood processing. This new tainer is like a Swiss Army knife for biomass. Drop it anywhere, hook it up, and you're drying material for pellets and fuel in no time. No assembly headaches, just pure, unadulterated efficiency. This is the kind of innovation that gets me fired up about the future of forestry. The power on this thing is nuts, and the sound. Seriously, it's like the sweetest sound I've ever heard. Tell me you've seen something this wild before? Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Well, look at that. The M&J is just going to town on that wood waste. Pretty efficient, I gotta say. Just keeps munching away, no problem. You can see why these things are used in recycling. Makes quick work of a big pile of wood. Not bad at all. And they're off. The Timber Pro TL775D is taking down leftover timber from the Oregon fires like it's nothing. This beast just charged right in. That Quadco saw spinning like crazy. That Quadco saw is just eating through these logs. They're not standing a chance. Impressive stuff. He's really pushing that rig through some serious mud. Hope that load of lumber is worth the effort. The LC Energy Wood Chip Hub optimizes the biomass supply chain. By centralizing wood processing, drying, and quality control, it boosts logistical efficiency and cuts transport costs. This ensures biomass plants receive a reliable, spec-compliant chip supply, leading to greater operational reliability, consistent feedstock, and improved profitability for energy producers through streamlined procurement. Incredible transformation, right? But what happens after the shred? Join us next episode as we explore the journey of these wood chips into sustainable resources. The cycle continues. Hit subscribe for the full story.